In this video, I will show you how to create a backup of your cPanel. This backup will include all websites that are currently available in your cPanel. To accomplish this, you require the access of cPanel. Before getting started this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get latest video updates. So without further ado, let's get started now. So the first thing that you have to do is to launch the cPanel. And then in your cPanel, in this search bar, search for backup. Click on this backup wizard. And then from here you have two options, backup and restore. For now, we are focusing on backup. So click on backup. After that, you will see this option where you have the option to choose the full backup that will include everything that is currently available in your cPanel, and then you have the option to select a partial backup. You can choose the home directory, MySQL database, or the email forwarders and filters. For now, we'll click on this full backup. So click on full backup, and then in here it will ask you for the backup destination. If you will click here, you have following option. For now, you can choose home directory, and then you can make sure you click here so that you will get an email notification when the backup will get completed. If you do not want to send the email notification, just click here. So for now, I'll click here and then simply click generate backup. And in this way, all of the websites that are currently available in your cPanel account will automatically get backed up. So in this way, you can back up your cPanel account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and make sure to smash the bell icon as well to get the latest video updates. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.